Hi my YouTube family, this is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. I thank you so much for being here today. Today we're going to have a wonderful time together. So I got cabbages, I got lots of cabbages, about 6 or 8 of them, huge cabbages. And I got more ginger and lemons. Then I have some squash, green squash, and red onion. I have some spinach. So that's my grocery haul, and this is gonna last me about a month. So I'm good to go for a month, and mostly vegetables. I got some grains, I got some millets, and I got some rice, I got some bread, and then all vegetables and some organic eggs, and that's all. I hope you like the haul. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share, and I'll see you with many more. Bye bye. Have a good night. Have a great weekend. Hi, this is Mel. I hope all of you are doing awesome. Today I'm going to do some grocery haul. So this is a grocery for the whole month, and I go once in a while and buy for the whole month. So I got some plain pizzas, and I add to it my vegetables, spinach and things, broccolis. So I have some this cauliflower I got. Okay, 4 of these. Well, actually I got 8 of these cauliflower. So I have 8 of the cauliflower, and then I have beans. So I have frozen beans, and I have broccoli. Now this broccoli also I added to the pizza, and then I have mixed vegetable, and I have some. There's a mixed vegetable, and these are like broccoli, carrot, and cauliflower, and these are mixed so many they have peas and carrots and beans and corn. So this is the frozen vegetable and frozen pizza. So here I have this is called mixture, and there's all kinds of lentils. It's like a snack, all kinds of lentils, and this is chickpea flour and potato. So this is also, it's like kind of like snack food. And this is my bread, and then I have some this called kabuli chana. This is also chickpeas, and these are curry leaves. It's a very good, very nutritious. You take few every day, and I did a video on these. These have tons and tons of nutrition. So yeah, just raw leaves too, and people add it to their vegetable. Now this is biryani masala, but I add it to anything, everything. This is millet called kodo millets, and these millets are very good, and I'm experimenting on those millets. These millets are, there's a millet doctor in India who has done huge videos on millets, and his name is actually Millet Doctor, but he has a name, but he's been called Millet Doctor, and he does entire body healing with millets, all kinds of elements healing with millets. So it's very famous in India. So here is I get this chickpeas. This is another kind of peas, and these are ready-made actually. This is kadi pakora. This is ready-made. You just take it out, heat it up, eat with your rice. This is chia seed and red quinoa, and I got some rice, basmati rice, and here's some pancake mix. So I have here some peanuts for snacking, and these are laddu. It's called motichur laddu, and this is snack food too, but we do puja prayer ceremony with it. And these are some spices. So this is meat masala. I got buy 2 get 1 free, so I got 3 of them. This is chola masala, buy 2 get 1 free, so I got 3 of them. This is biryani masala, buy 2 get 1 free. So these are the spices, and here I have foxtail millet. This is barnyard millet, unpolished little millet. This is brown top millet. This is kodo millet, and this is another millet called finger millet, ragi flour, and this is organic eggs. So these are the millets, and this barnyard millet, foxtail millet, brown top millet, kodo millet, ragi millet, little millet. So these are, and this is sweet, and these are spices. These are 3 for buy 2 get 1 free, so I got 3 of each: chola masala, biryani masala, meat masala, and then I got my peanuts. Where it is dry roasted unsalted peanut. Now there's a millet doctor in India named Dr. Kadir, and he claims that he can heal any diseases through millet diet, but it has to be started slowly, and millet is not produced extensively, so it produces very little, so price is very expensive. And according to him, one should start half a cup of millet per day and soaked it 8 hours before cooking, and it's been cooked like just like the rice. So millet is really good, and I'm gonna give it a go. So here's my some grocery for my fruits. Now this is watermelon, and I have strawberries. The strawberries were on sale, so I got 4 of these. I can do my smoothie. And I have bananas. This banana is still a little bit green, and these are a little bit ripe. And I got blueberries, and I have this spicy brown mustard, organic coconut oil, got some tuna fish, some baking soda, some salt, and these peas, they were on sale 10 for $10. I believe it's in Lidl's or Aldi. I believe it was Lidl's. Yeah, Lidl's, they were on sale 10 for $10. I got potatoes. These are big potatoes, and I got some eggplants. These eggplants are huge, humongous, and they will make, each eggplant will make a dinner or lunch, and you just steam them, bake them, make saute, whatever. And I got green chili peppers. I love them. And I have some, these are pumpkin, and about 4 of them, like 4 pieces from a huge pumpkin. And I got this bitter melon tastes awesome. Oh, I saw a yogi, he lived on pumpkin and apple and bananas and tomatoes and cilantro leaves, and he was 60 years old, and but he looked like 30. His figure, his body was so youthful, living on pumpkin, tomatoes, apples, bananas, and cilantro leaves. So here is my garlic, and these are my okra. These are really big okra, so I got 2 packages. And the cilantro leaves, and these are humongous guava. These are like humongous, each 2 pounds. So hi, thank you so much for being here today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share this video. Thank you. May God bless you all.